Hi, today I want to discuss with you about my health journey. I had anemia from my childhood, around 15, 16 of years of age. This was the first thing was diagnosed with. Thereafter, in my 30s, it was hypothyroid. And then in my late 30s, it was deep vein thrombosis. And for all this, I was going to the doctors, I was being given medicines, but nothing was helping me. Thereafter, I went to a hematologist. He said that your B12 levels are low and your condition is called pernicious anemia. So you have to take vitamin B12 injections every month. And the reason is the intrinsic factor is zero in your case, so your B12 is not getting absorbed. So you have to take these injections. Still, nothing untoward was there. Life was continuing. And then in my early 50s, I had pre-diabetes. And I was told by the doctor when I went with my lab reports that it is better you start the medicine. And I was given medicine for diabetes as well as hypertension, as doctor said that will also be required. And I started taking those medicines. After a few years, I thought, how can I look at my life without medicine? And that is when I started browsing YouTube, looking for videos. And then with the help of that, I started trying to alter my lifestyle. But very little I could do. And somehow I was managing with the medicines. And then all of a sudden, I felt skin infection called urticaria. That was very bad, particularly in the late nights. It was not allowing me to sleep. And for that, I went to various super specialists, like again back to hematologists, endocrinologists, and because I had that hypothyroid, but nothing was helping. I continued with those anti-allergic medicines also, besides my hypothyroid and B12 injections. And after that, all of a sudden, my calcium levels were disturbed in my lab reports. And on further investigation, it was found that I had a lesion in my parathyroid. So I was advised that I should go a surgery, and I had to undergo a surgery, and where the lesion of the parathyroid was removed in the surgery. But immediately after a couple of months, I had heart attack. And this was a pretty massive heart attack because I was diagnosed with two blockages in my arteries, 100% and 99%, and stent was put. This was a wake-up call for me. I said I have to take the things now in my hands. And I had looked at the videos and I was knowing little bit about Wellcure. But then I attended one of their 3 days program, which was of 2 hours duration every day in the evening for those 3 days. I got some basic knowledge, and with that, I tried to contact Dr. Prashanti and her team for the consult. And after talking to them, I was advised a natural diet and other lifestyle modifications. And within few weeks, I was feeling very different. And my overall health condition, I started feeling better and better. And I went for my lab reports after 2 weeks. There was marginal improvement. Then after 6 weeks, again I went for my lab report. Now there was big improvement. And these big improvements were in vitamin B12 levels, as well as my hypothyroid. The TSH level came normal after 7 weeks. And I was tapering off my doses because I was not needing those doses at all. And after around 7 weeks, I was totally off medicine of hypothyroid as well as vitamin B12. Now, I was taking hypothyroid medicines for 23 years, and I was taking vitamin B12 shots for last 15 years every month. I was astonished. I said, this is magic. The Urticaria medicine, which I was taking for morning and evening every day, now I was taking just one medicine after 4 days. And still my urticaria was in control. So this is after 2 months, that is 8 weeks, my condition. Now I am very sure that within few weeks, I'll be able to stop that one single medicine which I am taking of urticaria also. So I thought, let me spread through this online video some of this message to others who are also taking these medications, that by simply doing your diet changes, by doing other lifestyle changes, you can be totally off meds. And what happens after you are off medicines? You feel you are transformed. You feel happy. You feel light. You feel energetic. And you are not spending so much money on the super specialists and the medicines and the other associated expenses. What we need to do, we just have to align ourselves with nature's laws. Nature takes care of the rest. So these were some of the things which I wanted to share with you. Thank you for your patient listening.